this. Then the next, let's go into make a necklace. Today I am going to share with you if we use the different paper clip chain and mix with some beads chain, how it look with the design. Here, this one is a paper clip. This is the small size paper clip with this sparkly effect. Before we have a big one, but this one is a small one. Small one and a big one. Yeah, I know in my live streaming many customers love silver, so I get the silver. I'm happy. Before we have a long paper clip, I think some customer you got, and now we get a small paper clip, smaller size, almost you see half. Yeah, near about half here. So this one is the small, and you can see it's sparkly. And this one, if we make a bracelet or necklace, it's nice. And I am going to make a faster necklace. We can see a faster necklace by the chain. I cut it in 18. Yeah, in 18, 17, and just the different lengths, but not a big difference. So this two is with the sparkly paper clip. And let's cut a chain. I remember I make this design long time ago, and many customers love it, the effect. So this is another paper clip. It's the basic smooth here. Then let's cut a smaller size. A smaller paper clip. This one. So smaller. We mix. This design just mix the different sides of the paper clip. Okay, then next, put one more paper clip. Bling bling. This is a paper clip with a square wire. So you see, it's bling bling because the wire is a square shape. Okay. You can compare the two. This round wire, this is the square wire, so it's more sparkly. I love the chain when see it the first time. Okay, then let's put some beads chain or some pink, white, black. Okay, just the chain, only in gold. And we put a black or something. I don't have the square one. Hi. Hello, Anya. Happy to see you. And it's silk thread. Silk thread, we only have wax thread, wax cord. Silk thread, what do you want to use for? If you want, you can send me some picture I can get for you. It's easy to get a thread here. Just too many color. I didn't update in shop. Too many colors. You don't have the square one? I think you have. The square one we have sell it several years. Yeah. It's updated in shop several years. I think you have. I'm sure. You can check. It's very sparkling. Bling bling. Okay. Here. Then let's put one beads chain. Let me see. One bead chain. No. This time I'm going to put a rhinestone chain. A pink rhinestone or a black or a clear. Let me see. Okay. For the clear color. Bling bling, the square. Price not expensive. $3.72 meter. 7.92 meter. Here. Okay. I use this rhinestone chain and cut. What was our tutorial today? Today we make some simple, not complicated, and the bracelet make these small cute connectors. Yeah, make some cute connector, and now we are making the necklace with the different paper clip. Different design, different price, dear. But the paper clipper is a very nice price. For example, this design, you can see this one. The wire is the square wire and the design here. Price is 3.7. You can get 2 meter. 2 meter is 6.6 feet. Got the price here. So 1 meter is about 3. Yeah, near about $4 1 meter. Here. This. Here. Different design, different price, but the paper clipper price always good. Paper clipper is the most popular chain and its price always very good. You order the paper clipper in my shop and never worry about it. If you want to order, you just type 100 to open a box and you can claim in live streaming. This rhinestone chain, this one 2 millimeter. This is the 2 millimeter. And the cover match is 2 millimeter. 2 millimeter match the 2 millimeter. Good morning, Nana. Happy to see you. Okay, then let's go into close this, finish this necklace. I'm going to get a two jumping. We cut all the chain in the size about 18-inch. The different size of the paper clip. Some is square wire, some is with the sparkly, some the flattened wire, some round wire, and mixed with one rhinestone chain. Then let's just go into hang on. Okay, I mix first with this square, and I mix with a big, with this big, and again a small, and then the rhinestone, chain, and this sparkly, and this round copper wire, round wire, not a copper wire, it's stainless steel. Let's use a clasp, nice clasp. Okay, here. And the another side the same. We just put it turn by turn. This one. This. This. Small size paper clip. And this is bigger paper clip. Then the last here. Okay, so it's a piece of the necklace that we find. We finish. Length is the same, similar, not exactly the same. Then here we can see how it look. We make this design yesterday. Star and star beads here. Now it's the way that loose. Yeah, it's the way loose will this chain loose. Yeah, and another way. We can twist it. We can twist and wear it. Okay. Twist it to well come out the different look here. Yeah, twist. One way is let it be loose. Another way you can braid to twist them together. So, hi, Bubby, happy to see you. So it's a simple design like this. Yeah. It seems like we use the different beads link, seed beads link to make it several pieces, 6 or 5 pieces together. And this one we use the chain to put them together. And you can see here the rhinestone chain. It is showed the bling bling and the different bling bling look here. Okay. So here we use all the paper clip. Paper clip price is good.